Welcome back. Today, we move beyond lines to bring your drawings to life with shading and shadows. Learning to control light is the secret to 3D depth. Exercise 1. Shading a sphere. Use coarse shadows and reflected light to make a flat circle look like a solid 3D ball. Exercise 2. Planes of a cube. By varying the intensity of shading on different faces, we define the structure of a solid cube. Exercise 3. Cast shadows. A cast shadow anchors your object to the ground, giving it a sense of weight and space. Mastering these techniques will transform any drawing. Practice these gradients until they feel natural. Subscribe for more international art lessons.